In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ping someone in a Microsoft Teams meeting. This is a simple yet highly effective way to get the attention of a specific person during your meeting. And I'll guide you through each step so you can do it easily and confidently. First, open Microsoft Teams and sign in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the meeting or channel where you want to ping someone. This can be done through the calendar or the meetings section, depending on where your session is scheduled. Now, let's talk about what pinging actually does. The idea behind pinging is to send a direct notification to the person you want to address. This ensures they are aware of your message and can respond promptly. Pinging is particularly useful in large meetings where individual contributions might get lost in the flow of conversation. In Microsoft Teams, the most common way to ping someone is by using the @mention feature. To do this, locate the chat box within your meeting interface. This is where you'll type both your message and execute your ping. Simply type the @ symbol followed by the person's name. As you type, Teams will suggest contacts that match what you're entering. Make sure to select the correct person from the drop-down menu. Once selected, continue typing your message as usual. The beauty of using the @mention feature is that it not only highlights the person's name in your message, but also sends them a notification, making sure your message is seen. This is especially helpful when you need their input on a topic, have a question, or want to highlight something important without interrupting the ongoing conversation. Here are a few tips to make your pinging more effective. First, ensure the person's name is spelled correctly so the suggestion list works properly. Keep your message clear and concise so they immediately understand why you're pinging them. Also, be respectful. Constant pinging can become disruptive, especially in larger or more formal meetings. Incorporating pinging into your daily Microsoft Teams interactions can greatly enhance collaboration and communication. It's a powerful tool to make sure your messages cut through the clutter, and that the right people are given the chance to contribute when needed. In conclusion, when used appropriately, pinging is an incredibly effective way to manage and direct conversations in Microsoft Teams meetings. I hope this tutorial has shown you just how simple it is to implement, and that you're now ready to use this feature to its full potential in your virtual gatherings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.